Okay, and here's the item about the brush head adjustment. This is on a lever. Takes me 1 second to adjust that. Because of the lever. This, I have to unloosen 4 turns, move, tighten 4 turns. Slower. If you do that 100 times a day, it's a problem. So this takes like, wait, hold on. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Move. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one's like 1, 2. Do that 100 times a day. It's a lot of work. I love the younger brush. I love the pull. I love the clamps, but you should change the star wheel, and you should also change the angle. You need an angle adapter. You need the brush to be angle swiveled. Sorry, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. Goodbye.